Now this is a party. Hey Bill, take a seat.
I just went 27. You, I'm 22 and 19.
Stop the car. Come on in.
I got less debt. Run now. I don't need to get the last one. Byron. That's in a second. Okay, I got killed 6 times in a row with somebody laying a second chance.
Now this is the party that pulls up to your house and you do nothing. You send out the kids, we do everything. Park right in front of your house, park in your driveway. Easiest party you'll ever do. Something for everybody. You got the girls dancing down there. You got the football players and Black Ops players down here.
I don't think he put his controller on purpose.
See those perfects over there?
Sorry.